Hi my dear students, very good morning. Now today I am going to inaugurate with exercise 1.3 question number 6. So let us see my dear students how to do. So a certain freezing process require that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. So what is meaning of this sentence my dear student? There is a certain freezing process. What do you mean by freezing process my dear student? Freezing process means when liquid converting in the ice form when temperature going below 0 degrees Celsius. That is called freezing process. Right? So require that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What does it mean my dear student? Initially the room temperature of that particular certain object is given 40 degrees Celsius. Now its temperature every hour decreasing by 5 degrees Celsius, then what will be the temperature of that certain freezing process in 10 hours after the process begin? We have to find out. So what is given my dear students? Here the temperature decreasing at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius per hour. Okay my dear students, so this is given. Now let's think what will be the room temperature in 10 hours after the process begin. So we have to find what will be the room temperature 10 hours. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begin? We have to find out. It is unknown. We have to determine. Means what is meaning of here my dear student? We have to find out temperature after the process begin. After 10 hours, I mean in 10 hours, what will be the temperature? How much temperature will be decreases? We have to determine. We have to find out. Initially temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. After 10 hours, what will be the temperature when it is decreasing by 5 degrees Celsius in every hour? Okay. So now let it write down. Initial temperature is given. Initial temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now the temperature in 10 hours after the process begin is equal to 40 degrees Celsius. Now after this my dear students, what to do? Here temperature is decreasing. So therefore what to do? We have to multiply 5 with minus 5 with 10 degrees Celsius. So here what is happening my dear students? Temperature is decreasing. Temperature is decreasing means what? We have to multiply with minus degree Celsius. Minus sign indicate temperature decreasing. Minus sign indicate temperature decreasing by 5 degrees Celsius. So what will be the temperature in 10 hours after the process begin? So definitely if for 1 hour temperature decreasing by 5 degrees Celsius, in 10 hours temperature will decrease by 5 into 10, and therefore so the total temperature will decrease 5 times are 50. So in 10 hours the temperature decreases by 50 degrees Celsius my dear student. So definitely initially temperature was 40 degrees Celsius. When 50 degrees Celsius temperature decreasing, then what will be the temperature in 10 hours after the process begin? What to do? Definitely we will do the subtraction. Why I wrote here minus sign? Because temperature is decreasing. Therefore I wrote here minus sign my dear student. Now 40 degrees Celsius will be as it is. 5 10s are 50 degrees Celsius. So this is also degree Celsius. Now 40 degrees Celsius minus 5 times are 50, so 40 degrees Celsius minus 50 degrees Celsius. So the decreased temperature will be 50 minus 50 plus 40 become minus 10 degrees Celsius, my dear student. Here we will write greater number sign. The greater number is 50 degrees Celsius and therefore we should write the minus sign. Now, so I means in 10 hours after the process begin, the temperature will be minus 10 degrees Celsius. Am I right, my dear friends? Understood? Minus 10 degrees Celsius indicate this is a freezing point, freezing temperature at which it is converting in the form of ice. Whatever any certain object will be there, then it will going to convert in the form of ice when temperature will be minus 10 degrees Celsius. And that's why it is called freezing process. I hope so all of you understand, my dear students. Now other question we will going to see in next coming video lecture. Thank you, my dear students. Have a nice day.